Hey traders, welcome to the first video of our 10-part series where I will reveal simple yet powerful strategies tailored towards trading the Nasdaq and the micro Nasdaq futures markets. And the best part of all is that these strategies are accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner trader or a more seasoned trader. Watch as I reveal easy to follow trading methods that you can start using right away without wasting your time hunting for opportunities every single day. Okay, so for my first strategy, I want to show you one of my favorite ways to scalp the Nasdaq or the micro Nasdaq contracts. In this case, I've got the Nasdaq set up on a 1-minute time frame, and there are a few different components built into the strategy. The first one is that green and red line that you're seeing there on my chart. And basically what that means is if price is below that red line, I only want to be taking shorts. And if price is above the green line, or when it flips to a bullish environment, I only want to be taking long positions. Right, now that's the first component. The second component of the strategy requires that I wait for a pullback or a correction. In this case, with the trend detector being bullish, I want to see a pullback to the downside. And as soon as that occurs, I like to add what is called a Zorro pattern. It's basically just a Z-shaped pattern that automatically also creates an entry zone in the middle of the pattern. Now the idea is as soon as price pulls in to that zone, I can then go ahead and enable my automated trade entry feature, as you'll see when I click the button in the bottom left corner there. So as soon as price would then move into that zone, I would automatically get entered into a trade. Now with this example, price missed that zone on one occasion, start moving sideways, nearly made it on the second occasion, and I think it was actually on the third occasion it came extremely close to reaching that zone, but unfortunately did not get into that trade, and price proceeded its way back to the upside. Now, as soon as price broke above that upper edge, I had to cancel the pattern, but rather than giving up, I waited for another pullback to the downside. In this case, again drew the pattern from the most recent swing low to that recent swing high, activated my trading entry feature, and in this occasion I eventually got filled. I like trading with two contracts. Again, automatically I was triggered into this trade. A stop loss was placed, one target at a 1-to-1 ratio, and very soon afterwards my first target got filled. I then positioned my second target at that runner target you're seeing on the upside there, which is also automatically plotted by the software. Right, then I also got an ATM strategy that automatically got my stop loss to above break even after a few ticks in my favor. And in this example, I gave the market as much space as possible, waiting for a break of the top of that Z pattern, and aggressively start trailing my stop to the upside. And eventually in this trade, I was lucky enough to get filled on my final target, all the while I was aggressively trailing my stop to the upside. And in the end, eventually the runner target got filled, yielding in total just over $1,700 of profit in about 40-45 minutes or so, which was a really nice trade overall. And that concludes today's first strategy video. If you want to see the remaining strategies in the series, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And if you're interested in diving deeper and getting your hands on the tools I've discussed, be sure to check out the link in the description to join our Ninjacators Fast Track program. It's your fast lane to mastering these strategies and taking your trading to the next level. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.